Fat Mulan.
Present!
Speaking without permission.
Oops.
Who's beating a bean curd? Too skinny. Not good for bearing sons. Recite the final admonition. Well,
Fulfill your duties calmly and respectfully. Reflect before your neck. Act. This shall bring you honor and glory.
this way. Now, pour the tea. To please your future in-laws, you must demonstrate a sense of dignity and refinement. You must also be poised.
Pardon me.
And silent.
Could I just take that back?
One moment. Why, you clumsy? I think it's going well, don't you? Put it out! Put it out! Put it out! You are a disgrace! You may look like a bride, but you will never bring your family honor.